Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to another vlog. I'm here in this beautiful Sunday. Look at it outside. Still out here on vacation. Just want to show how the block look. Look how this block look. It's cute. I love this tree. Let's go for a ride along and see how things are out here. Stay tuned. On this ride along, we seen a building that looked like a penny. Look at that carpet building. That's cool, isn't it? How nice. All right, stay tuned. Be back.
They make the beer there.
Your mother drink that.
I know, but I had you say it every time.
It's right here,
Anheuser
look.
Busch plant.
It's the plant.
That's what it's called. Anheuser Busch,
Oh.
Budweiser.
The Budweiser. Mommy drink
I
that.
was looking for a plant every time you said it.
Oh, like the plant.
Like the little plant. No. Okay, y'all, so we are out here at these houses and look at them. They give like maybe a Florida feel. I don't know. Y'all guys let me know in the comments. I'm not sure. But look at it. They're nice and comfortable. So our next stop is going to be a store called Gabe's. We used to go there all the time when I lived in Pennsylvania. So let's check it out and see how they are now. Stay tuned. What's up, YouTube? I'm back for another day, and I'm at Gabe's now. Nobody never heard of Gabe's. Gabe's like a clothing store.
Something else.
Go inside. Oh, you can go on either side, and that side is enter. You got to go out that way. How does that one says enter?
They about to probably get a lot more because they didn't put them on over them.
See you inside.
And then you know what?
Down and around. Look, see, it has nothing in here but Gabe's. Uniontown, it used to be, it didn't look like this either when we first. That's footwear over there. Where's the, oh, plus size this way. I'm on this side. I need a sweater. It don't go with what I got right now, but it's cute. 30. Let's go. Looking. Where are they sweaters at? Yeah, Gabe is like a thrift shop now. Back then it wasn't, but now it is. It's crazy. Alright, I'll be back when I find my sweater. They got some bags in here, but it's like 22. Nothing. Gabe's used to be the store. Now it's just like no. Let me see if they got something for the baby at least. These are a bunch of socks. How much are these? $5.99. These are a little too thick though. Want some thin ones. Okay, y'all. Let me take a video. I'm getting on the swing, y'all. Look. Which one? The black one? Either or. What is this restaurant? Here's another one over here, y'all. Look at this. Look how cute that is. Ooh, it's cold over here, though. We got to take off, but this is the other swings here that we didn't get to see when it was sunny outside. It is cold over here right now. All right, y'all. I just want y'all to see the swings. Look how big the swings are. Everybody was on it the last time that I came. That's crazy. All right, y'all. We out. Till next time. Look at the tricycles, y'all. I didn't even see this over here. That's crazy. Look at that. That is so cute. I had to come back for one time. Wow.
That's so cute.
It is.
I didn't come this far. I only been to that street.
They got a whole bonfire down there, too. It is. All right, let's go, y'all. I'm sorry. Thank you very much. Oh, my gosh, y'all. Look, I found a big old Timberland boot. Look at this. No. Look at this big old Timberland boot by LL Bean. I didn't even know they had this boot over here. Yo, it is crazy out here. I love it. All right, y'all. Gotta get back in the car. It's cold. You want a boot? You want a picture of the boot? Child, want a picture of the boot? Okay. All right, y'all. Till next time.